Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the newer dresses, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. First dress is from No Boundaries. It has the thicker straps, this little sweetheart neckline with the tie ruching, seam detailing under the bust. It is more of a fitted style. It is lined with the little slit, and then it's squared in the back. In the green, also comes in black, red, and gray. It's like a purple gray, and they're $12.98. New dresses from Free Assembly. So these have the smaller collar, full button. It's a flutter, like relaxed sleeve, seam detailing in tiers, and it flows out. Same kind of fit through the back. We also saw this one in green, and they're $34. New rib slip dresses. These are from No Boundaries. So it has the thin strap, scoop neckline, midi length, and then squared in the back. In the blue, also comes in that mushroom brown, and they're $10. And then in that same kind of rib material, they have these new scoop neck dresses. Longer sleeve, midi length, in the black. Also comes in that orangey pink. And these are $10. New sleeveless dress from Time and True. So this one has that V neckline, the little shoulder detailed sleeveless, has the drawstring in the waist with the drop tier. That same kind of fit through the back in the burgundy. Also comes in olive and solid black, and they're going to be $17.98. Also new flutter sleeve dress from Time and True. This one has that ruffling around the neckline, that V with the flutter sleeve, that seam detailing under the bust, nice and flowy. This is the gauze material with the drop tier, and this one's also $17.98. New dress from Scoop. It has that plunging V neckline, the puff sleeve detail, also the ruching through the sleeve and the ruching through the bust. It's a relaxed flowy skirt, and then there is a zipper up the back. Comes in the houndstooth, also in solid black, and they're $39. New maxi length dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, that little twist detail. It's a stretchy material with the slit. The back is squared with the smocking. Comes in this blue print. There's also purple floral. There's a black floral, and they're going to be $17.98. Also seeing a new color in the cargo dress from Celebrity Pink. They have the thin strap, that V neckline, seam detailing through the front, the little flat pockets. In the olive denim, also comes in that mid-tone denim, and they're $17.50. Here's an online only dress in the floral print from Time and True. So this one has that V neckline. It's a flutter sleeve, flowy, with the smocking in the back, and they're $16.98. New tie front dress from Scoop. It has that rounded collar with the tie, keyhole, side seam detailing, elastic in the wrist with the little tier, and then it's a smocked waist, tiered skirt. It's nice and flowy in the green. Also comes in that watercolor, and these are $38. New Sofia Vergara slip dress. This one has the thin strap, this little ruche detailing. The material is that textured kind of thicker satin. Flows out a little bit at the bottom, and then it's squared in the back. And this one is regularly $24. And it also comes in the black. New high neck dresses from Scoop. These have that rounded collar, sleeveless to relaxed fit. The back has the keyhole in the green floral. We saw this in some other solid options, and then they also brought it back in the black, and they're $34. New print in the dress from Scoop. So this one has the tie front, smocking around the neck. It has smocking on the wrist, and then also on the waist, flowy, and then the same around the back. We saw this in the solid olive, and these are $38. Another trend we're seeing come back for fall are the jumpsuits, and this one is new from Sofia Vergara. So it has the smaller collar, lapel, it's snap buttons all the way, has that belt in the waist to bring it in with the drawstring, side pocket, jogger style bottom, button detail on the wrist, In the denim, another trend for fall, full head to toe denim. And then it also comes in the olive, also another trend for fall. And these are $38. New denim dress from Scoop. This one has the smaller collar, full button, elastic in the waist to midi length, button detail on the wrist, and then the seam in the back. That elastic does go all the way around. These are $40 in the black, and then it also comes in the cream. Also new from Free Assembly is this button-down dress. This one has the smaller collar, full button to the waist, button on the wrist, elastic in the waist with the pleated poplin skirt. Comes in the green, also in the navy, and these are $32. Also new from Free Assembly is this A-line dress. It's a poplin material, has the thicker strap, plunging V, seam at the waist, so flows out with the skirt, and also comes with the belt. Comes in the floral, also in the navy, and they're going to be $34. New ruched top from Sofia Vergara. This one has the thicker strap, that scoop neckline. It's a seamless kind of like that smoothing material. It does have the built-in pad, seam detailing under the bust, and then ruching on the side, and it's squared in the back. Comes in the fuchsia, also in black, and these are $24. New pleated dress from Sofia Vergara. This one's sleeveless. It has that plunging V neckline, elastic through the waist, nice and flowy with the pleated bottom. It's lined on the inside, and that same kind of fit through the back with the seam going across. In this purple floral, also comes in the solid black, and they are going to be $32. New jumpsuit from No Boundary. So this one's strapless, super soft kind of French terry material, has that band with the sticky on the inside, seam detail with the belt, pork chop pockets. It is a straight leg, and then there's elastic going through the back. How pretty is this color? It's like an acid wash black. And these are $18.98. It kind of reminds me of Free People. How cute are these new lace dresses from No Boundary? So they have a cap sleeve, that sweetheart neckline, little tie detail with the seam under the bust, a flowy skirt, super soft. I love this green print. It also comes in that blue plaid. They have a burgundy floral and the black and pink, and these are going to be $12.98. New mock neck scuba dresses from Madden NYC. So these have that higher neckline. It's sleeveless, fitted through the body, midi length, slit in the back, and then how fun is this little cutout detail? So it comes in this black with a little bit of an ombre. There's the blue tie-dye. There's no, not the burgundy, so that looks like those are the only two. And these are going to be $22.50. New wrap dresses from Sofia Vergara. So these are a faux wrap. It just has a little tie detail, so you could pull it in. Has that wrap top, the little shoulder detail, button on the wrist. See, tier with the asymmetrical, or like high-low, where it's longer in the back, and then elastic in the back to pull it in. Comes in the fuchsia, also in the black. These are textured satin, and then in the chiffon, in this floral print we saw in a top, and they're going to be $32. Also new belted dress from Free Assembly. So this one's a satin material, smaller collar, lapel, full button detail on the wrist, pleating at the bottom, that seam fit through the back. In the burgundy, this reminds me a lot of a dress they had last year. It's really cute. And then also the navy, and they're going to be $34. Also new sneak peek dresses from No Boundary. So these have the cap sleeve. It's a mesh material. It also has these velvet prints on it. It flows out, that seam fit through the back. In the purple with the floral texture, they have black with the leopard. And these are going to be $12.98. And then also new are these dresses from No Boundary. So it has the flutter sleeve, tiers. I think we saw this one in the black. And they are also $12.98. Also seeing a new color in the zip sweatshirts from Free Assembly. So these have that mock neckline, a little bit of a drop sleeve, banded wrists, a relaxed fit, has a little slits on the side. That's what the material looks like on the inside. So it's this soft stretch material. We saw it in the navy, now it comes in the burgundy, and they're going to be $24. New button down dresses from Time and Tru. It has this smaller collar, full button down. They are functioning. It's a lightweight flowy material, has the button detail on the wrist, also comes with the belt, and then the seam detail on the back. Comes in the leopard print, also in solid black, and these are $19.98. Also new floral dress from Time and Tru. This one has that V neckline, the little ruffle trim, also the flutter sleeve, elastic at the waist, a flowy skirt with the belt, and then that same fit through the back. In the green with the orange flowers, also comes in black with the pink, and they're $19.98. Also new oversized plush zip ups from No Boundaries. These are really soft. They have good length, the drawstring drop sleeve, the banded wrist. Oh wait, there's a little romper. How cute. The hood in the back. In the pink, black, red, and baby blue, and these are going to be $13.98. New jumpsuits from Free Assembly. These have a smaller collar, full button, belted waist, flat pocket through the leg. It's a relaxed fit. These do look like they're a little shorter, and then it does continue around the back with the belt and a little bit of elastic with pockets. Seam detail, and then how cute is that little button on the sleeve. Comes in the navy, also in the green, and they're $36. There's not a whole lot of stretch, so I would say do not size down. But this has a plunging V, a like fluttery balloon style sleeve, the band at the waist, a nice flowy skirt, and then there's smocking in the back. Comes in the black, also in that blue, and these are regularly $30. New lace dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, that ruffled trim, the little tie detail. It has that seam detailing through the front. It's nice and flowy and squared in the back. Comes in the black, also in pink, and these are going to be $12.98. Are these button down dresses from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, button up until the waist, elastic pleated skirt with the belt, the seam detailing in the back in the green, also comes in the navy, and they're $32. Also in this leopard is this sneak peek dress from No Boundaries. So this one has the scoop neckline, seam detailing under the bust. It kind of flows out. Comes in the leopard. How cute is that little flower detail? Also this black floral. There's a red and the blue, and they're $10. Newer cow neck dresses from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, that cow neckline, the asymmetrical tier. It's flowy and squared in the back. In the brown, also comes in ivory, black, and burgundy, and they're going to be $12.98. Also newer mock neck dresses from Scoop. So they have a satin material, that flat front, sleeveless, maxi length, and then it has a zipper in the back in this houndstooth. I didn't see this one online yet. Hopefully they added it. And then also in black, and these are $34. And then you could see that ruched one is over here. This one's also from Scoop. It has that higher neckline with the drawstring, sleeveless, this little ruched detailing with the tier at the bottom. Same fit through the back. And this leopard also comes in the solid black, and they're $34. Here's a new item. This one's probably online only, but so it's off the shoulder, comes in at the waist, a nice flowy leg with the drawstring. Comes in this hot pink. They also have a black, and these are regularly, probably has an online only thing. No, $22.98. Wrap dresses from No Boundaries. So they have that seam detail. It's a ribbed material, tiers all the way down. This is the extra small with the tie in the back. In the pink and white daisy, also comes in this solid black. This is a really good wardrobe staple. You could dress it up or down. In the this side is another sneak peek item. These have that sweetheart neckline, cap sleeve, tiers all the way down. This is that microfiber material. In the black floral, also comes in this light green floral, and they're $12.98. New dresses from Jessica Simpson. These have that higher neckline with the little tie. You can untie it. Flutter sleeve, elastic in the waist, nice and flowy skirt. The material is super soft, and then it has the same fit through the back. Comes in this patchwork print, also in the navy floral. We saw that in some other pieces, and these are $36. Sneak peek item, these mock neck dresses from Madden NYC. So it's a seamless material, has that higher neckline, it's sleeveless, midi length with the slit. In this burgundy ribbed, also comes in the black, and they're $13.50. The burgundy, beige, and olive in these tier dresses, I'm wearing mine in the gray, all match back perfectly, so you could do a monochromatic look. These have that crew neckline, short relaxed sleeve, flowy and tiered. In the beige, there's the oatmeal, the burgundy, olive, orange. On this side they have black, the gold, teal, and navy, and they're $11.98. High neck mesh dress from No Boundaries. These are super soft and stretchy. They are lined on the inside. They have that higher neckline sheared through the sleeve, completely lined through the body, midi length in the green watercolor. Also comes in that black and white print. They are $12.98. I'm gonna go with the black and white. They also have a few new prints in the nightgown from Way to Celebrate. So now they have this trick or treat with the socks, this little like monster eyes. These are $11.98. We saw that print. We saw the purple cats, and then how fun is this? I love the little witch. Dresses from Time and True. These have that higher neckline. They're really soft and stretchy, flowy with the pockets. They have some new fall colors, so they also have the navy and white, the blue, that olive, black, this new, the orange, the fuchsia, the new mustard, and the gray, and they're $9.98. And little like pinafore overalls dress. This one has the adjustable straps, the one pocket, side pocket with the whiskering, has that same fit through the back with the pockets. These are going to be $22. New denim dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that V neckline, the flutter sleeve, elastic under the bust, and then it's flowy and tiered all the way down, has the side pockets, that same fit through the back. And these are $34. New jumpsuits from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, scoop neckline. It's a ribbed, stretchy t-shirt material at the top, and then a windbreaker parachute pant at the bottom. They have the flat pockets, the ability to make it jogger or straight leg, and then the same through the back. And the brown also comes in black, and they're $16.98. New drop tier denim dress from Free Assembly. These have that higher neckline, puff sleeve. It's relaxed with that drop tier at the bottom, keyhole in the back, and they're $28. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.